Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use the free writing support tool called Hemingway Editor. There is an application that you can pay for, but you could technically use the free web-based version without having to pay anything. And what it does is it allows you to type in text. And if you look over here on the right-hand side of my screen, I have some data that it's pulling up. So basically, it's telling me my readability. It's telling me the words I've used, and it also can even show you characters and paragraphs. And then it gives some writing suggestions here. So passive voice, sentences that might be hard to read. And if you click on those, it highlights them. And you can even kind of use some of these editing features up here if you want, but it gives you a basic overview on some of the content that you might want to have if you're helping students build their writing skills and you're not quite ready to have them move and write independently without some of these supports. Plus, it's free when compared to a tool like Grammarly. So if I delete all of these texts and features here and just paste in my own text from a different resource, all right, it's going to give me some examples here of things that I could change. So words are there. I can look at if I have any passive voice. I have some mess up things there, but if you notice, it doesn't pick up on any misspelled words. So that is something that you would need to know. It doesn't have a separate color for that, but it does underline words that are misspelled. So it gives you a hint, but doesn't tell you how to correct the spelling. So it could be an option here for your students if you're wanting to support their writing, but you don't want to use the paid tool like Grammarly. This breaks it up for them and gives them some feedback, and they can even use this as they're writing papers and even peer reviewing papers as well.